Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Chase debit card online. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new Chase debit card and keep it next to you so you can confirm details if needed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone, tablet, or computer before you start. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge on your device. In the address bar, type chase.com and press enter to go to the official Chase website. Check that the website address is correct to avoid fake or suspicious pages. On the homepage, find the Sign In button and click it. If you already have an online account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an online account, select Enroll and follow the prompts to create one. During enrollment, enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your Chase records. Create a strong password and set up security questions so your account is protected. When enrollment is complete, return to the sign-in page and log in. After you sign in, look for a section like Account Services, Card Services, or Manage Account. Select the option that says Activate Card or Debit Card Activation. If you are prompted, choose the debit card you want to activate from the list. Carefully type the card number when asked, using the numbers on the front of your card. Enter additional details if requested, such as your zip code or the security code when applicable. Review all information on the screen to make sure everything is correct. Click the Activate or Submit button to send your activation request. Wait for the confirmation message that says your card has been activated successfully. If you do not see a confirmation, refresh the page once and check for an updated status. For extra safety, log out of your Chase account after activation, especially on shared devices. Now open the Chase mobile app if you use it, and sign in to confirm your card appears as active. If the app asks to verify your identity, complete the verification steps to finish setup. Set up alerts and notifications so you can track purchases and detect unusual activity quickly. Update your PIN settings if you want to change your PIN to something you can remember securely. Make a small test purchase or ATM balance inquiry to ensure the card works as expected. If activation fails or you get an error, double-check your info and try again after a few minutes. If it still does not work, contact Chase customer service using the number on the back of your card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.